Dudes, this is the Gktech 350z V35 G35 rear camber arm install video. What's in the box, you might ask? Some bubble wrap, a set of 6061 T6 aluminum and hexagonally shaped for ease of adjustment arms, and some dust boots. Yeehaw! Here's the bearing that's PTFE line for your pleasure, meaning you don't have to install the dust boots, but if you do, just follow the instructions on the screen. Moving right along to removal of the old stock unit, pop off the old outer nut and bolt, pull the bolt out, then remove the sway bar to be able to get the bolt out for the camber arm. With the sway bar out, you can get the bolt out. Remove said nut, bolt, and washer and get that damn OEM arm out of there for good. Adjustment wise, the OEM and minimum length are going to be 282 millimeters or 11.10 inches and 308 millimeters or 12.12 inches. Extending this arm to OEM length, which is where we want to start, the Gktech arm would now be 308 millimeters or 12.12 inches from center to center. We would then wind in or out from here. If you wanted to max length the thing, that would come in at 338 millimeters or 13.3 inches. Now the eccentric bolts are prone to moving under hard driving. And here's to hoping you don't do this whilst drifting. I know I did. Anyways, we recommend our eccentric lockout kit, which makes life stress and movement free. Install is easy. Slide the Gktech arm in and install the eccentric lockout kit we just sold you on, then the washer and nut, and hand tighten those puppies. Install to the knuckle side, pop in the OEM nut and bolt and tighten, then torque the inner side to these specs and the outer side to these specs as well. Now's the time to make damn well sure the bearing is running central. You do not want it cocked to the left and or right, contrary to many pop songs, because that will bind or break them. Now tighten the lock nuts shown as here, reinstall and tighten the sway bar nuts, torquing those down to these specs on the screen. Repeat for the other side, and blammo! You can actually adjust something in the rear of your Z, V, or G. Follow us Hambones on YouTubes for good times and great oldies. If you can't install these, please have a pro do it and ask us any questions in the meantime. This is Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach is in Zach, signing off until next time. Peace.